This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make chili in a pressure cooker easy method. Start by browning 5 lb of ground beef, drain excess fat, then sauté onions and bell pepper until soft. Add garlic, spices, 2 cups broth, 1 can tomatoes, and 2 cans beans. Seal the cooker, cook at high pressure for 15 minutes, then natural release for 10 minutes before adjusting seasoning and serving. In this video, I will explain how to make chili in a pressure cooker easy method. Measure ingredients before you start to keep the process smooth. Chop the onion and pepper, and prepare spices in a small bowl. This mise-en place prevents overcooking and lets you move quickly once the pot is hot, preserving texture and flavor while keeping hands free to manage the pressure cooker safely. In this video, I will explain how to make chili in a pressure cooker easy method. Quick note, if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like the video. Quick recommendation, the Echo Dot smart speaker brings music and timers into the kitchen with ease, making cooking more fun and hands-free. See the link in the description for deals. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will explain how to make chili in a pressure cooker easy method. After browning meat and sautéing vegetables, stir in spices, tomatoes, beans, and broth, scraping up brown bits. Seal and set the cooker to high pressure for 15 minutes, then allow a natural release for 10 minutes to maintain texture. Finish with a quick simmer if needed and adjust salt and acidity to taste before serving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.